Hello guys, my name is Mahendra and today we are going to learn about coroutines. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see now I have a very basic scene setup and I have imported a simple tree mesh. I have made a small script. In this script I have the reference to a game object called tree. In the update function I have set up a input key method. If I press a key code in A, I will call the coroutine, and here is the main coroutine. As you can see, this is very basic simple coroutine. First we print I am cutting the tree, then we will wait for 2 seconds and then we will destroy tree. So there are two ways to call this function. Number one is start coroutine and call it like a normal function. So let's test this. I am pressing A, I am cutting the tree and the tree is destroyed. The number two is method is using in the braces. So let's test this method. I'm pressing A and again it is working the same. So what is the difference between calling these two functions? So let's test this thing. So to test these things we will try to stop this function. Okay, so as you can see I have called another method here. If input.getKey down key code space, I will try to stop this coroutine. So let's use the first method, cut the tree like a normal function, and here I will try to stop coroutine, cut the tree. Let's test this thing. First I will press the key A and after that I will press space to stop this coroutine. So let's see if this works. I'm pressing A and then press stop the coroutine, and as you can see the coroutine didn't stop. Let's test this another method. This time I will call it in between the braces. So let's see if I can stop this coroutine or not. I'm pressing A and I'm pressing stop, and again you can see that it didn't stop the tree and the coroutine didn't stop, or it immediately destroyed this function. So let's try stopping this way. I'm pressing A and then I'm pressing space, and as you can see this time the coroutine successfully stopped and we saved our tree. So as you learn this tutorial that if you want to stop this coroutine then you must use in the braces. So is there any way? But sometimes there is a problem when you cannot use this kind of method, because once you use this type of method and then if you change your coroutine's name title, then you will never know where you made the changes. So for safety purpose we will try to call this coroutine like a normal function like this and this. Then how can we stop this coroutine if it is not stopping like that? Then there is a solution here. To do that we will make a private coroutine and name it my routine, and whenever we call this function it will return a coroutine. So we will assign our my routine to this coroutine, and next time whenever you want to stop the coroutine you can use this reference, stop coroutine and my routine. So let's see if this thing works or not. I'm pressing A and then space, and as you can see we have successfully stopped this coroutine. So as you can see, if you can use the both way, but I normally prefer this way, because this time using this method you can have a reference and you can use it like a normal function, and whenever you need to change this function you will immediately know that there is some error with this functions. So this will easily to troubleshoot. So you can use both way. So thanks for watching this tutorial. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have need any query you can put in the description below. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.